What's up, crypto world? Crypto Snake is here. In today's video I will share with you my list of top 3 best mobile wallets. After so many hacks of crypto exchanges and bankruptcies of CeFi projects, all of you guys should know that self-custody is something you cannot ignore in the crypto space. And my duty today is to share with you the list of my favorite wallets I personally use. With that being said, let's get started. The number one wallet on my list today is Trust Wallet. This is a mobile-only wallet owned by Binance. The application supports more than 4.5 million assets. In terms of features, there is a fully functioning Web3 dApp browser that can be used to interact with any decentralized application. You can use Trust Wallet with all popular DEXs and DeFi protocols. Many people use Trust Wallet for staking. This wallet will also please millions of NFT collectors, as the wallet supports ERC-721 and ERC-1155 crypto NFTs. In terms of trust, the Trust Wallet is completely open source. You can find the underlying code on GitHub and review it by yourself. Anyone can audit and review the code, which is really nice. Trust Wallet is good for absolutely everyone. It supports pretty much any cryptocurrency. You can keep all of your crypto assets and NFTs in one place. Number 2 on my list today is Exodus. This crypto wallet has probably the nicest design. Exodus has a beautiful portfolio tracking interface and build exchange and lots of different applications. This wallet supports more than 230 different crypto assets and NFTs. You can also secure the app with Face ID. What I like the most is Exodus offers a desktop wallet, so you can bounce between different devices. And if you care about extra security, you can use Exodus with your Trezor hardware device, as this wallet seamlessly integrates with Trezor. You can even stake coins like ADA on your Trezor hardware wallet using Exodus. In addition to that, you can track your hardware wallet balance even when it's disconnected, using watch-only mode. Important to mention that Exodus has 24/7 customer support, so in case you have any questions or issues, you can easily contact the Exodus team and get help. This is probably the best beginner-friendly mobile wallet, and I always recommend it to my friends. And number 3 on the list today is Coinbase Wallet. Do not confuse it with Coinbase Exchange. Coinbase Wallet is a standalone service that allows users to take custody of their crypto assets. The only link between Coinbase Wallet and Coinbase Exchange is that you can seamlessly transact your assets between the two products. Coinbase is one of the best mobile wallets out there. It can be used with pretty much any DeFi protocol like Uniswap, Aave, Compound, etc. You can collect and mint NFTs. It also supports more than 44,000 crypto assets across multiple chains. This non-custodial mobile wallet enables users to access Web3 via a browser extension. If you're a person who often uses DEXs, mint and collect NFTs, you will enjoy this wallet. And that's it for today. Let me know what your favorite wallet is down below. Hodl strong, and I'll catch you later.